If you're a real estate agent and you're looking for a powerful way to boost your lead generation and convert more visitors into clients, then you're going to want to include landing pages, a game-changing tool in your marketing strategy. Landing pages are specially designed web pages that serve a specific purpose to capture your visitors' attention, engage them with valuable content, and guide them towards taking a desired action. So what's the big deal? Why are landing pages so important? These marketing tools have the power to significantly impact the success of your marketing campaigns and to generate tangible results. And by tailoring the content contained in a landing page, they also become the ultimate tool to showcase your expertise, highlight your unique offerings, and get potential clients excited about working with you. Why I think they are so powerful is because of their ability to make it incredibly easy for visitors to connect with you. Imagine creating a user-friendly contact form that easily collects essential information, giving you the opportunity to follow up and nurture those leads. Are you beginning to see how incredible this one web page is? It's so easy to add the power of social proof to any landing page too. Sharing testimonials from your satisfied clients adds a layer of trust and credibility that can make all the difference. But here's where you can get really creative. Customization. Landing pages offer you the flexibility to experiment, optimize, and fine-tune every element, from catchy headlines to eye-catching visuals and persuasive call to action buttons. You can include the content that will resonate best with your audience. If you know your market focuses on how much their home is worth, for instance, then your catchy headline could read, "Unlock the hidden value of your home. Discover your property's true worth today." Online marketing is crucial to your success as a real estate agent. When you can easily capture visitors' information, creating quality leads that you can then nurture, you have a powerful tool in your tool belt. Landing pages offer you a focused and compelling way to engage your audience, capture leads, and drive your business growth. Now, this is only one small snippet of what marketing can do for your real estate career. At Ultimate Academy, we train agents, both new and experienced, on how to use marketing to generate leads, build brand authority, increase your visibility, and ultimately to increase sales. Our practical techniques and strategies, not to mention our scripts and templates, are completely customizable. You're one of a kind. Shouldn't your sales and marketing strategy be too? It's easy to reach out to us. We're here to help you succeed. Contact us, and I'll see you in class.